Here's I'm gonna be showing you how to take WhatsApp backup on Google Drive from iPhone. So right now I'm on my WhatsApp, tapping on my profile photo, tapping on chats, tapping on chat backup. And here we can see no option to backup our WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. But I'm gonna be showing you the little workaround. If you follow, you will be able to upload all your WhatsApp chats to your Google Drive. Just go back from this page and tap on export chat. And now just select the chat that you want to backup to your Google Drive. So I'm selecting this chat. Now we have to export chat. So you can choose attach media or without media. So I want to export the chat with attached media. So I'm selecting attached media. And it may take some moments to export the chat. Once successfully exported, now here we have to select Google Drive option. Now on your Google Drive, select an account in which account you are going to upload the chat. You can create a new folder here. Let's create a new folder and rename it WhatsApp Backup. Tap on create and now just tap on save here and tap on upload, and the WhatsApp chat will start to backup to your Google Drive. So that's how you can just follow these same steps to backup your all WhatsApp chat to Google Drive one by one. Thanks for watching.